Hi guys, again, we are going to start Unit 6, which is about creativity and vocabulary. We're going to see environment verbs, we're going to see technology adjectives, winter sports, and compound nouns. In grammar, I can tell you that this is very easy. It's the present simple passive and the past simple passive. The most important about this is that you need to know the regular verbs. Third column. Finally, we're going to talk about food. You always like to talk about food. Look, on page 72 and on page 73, we've got several pictures from 1 to 7, right? And that's what we are going to deal with. Look at the first exercise, which is about vocabulary. It asks you if recycling is popular in your region. I would say yes. Only answer that question and then say which things you recycle. I think all of them. All of them. Okay. Here I've got glass repeated. I don't know if it is repeated too in your books. Okay. So just answer this question. Then let's move to exercise 2. And um, here you have to say in which picture. So you write, for example, number 1. What can you see in this picture? Can you see beach, birds, countryside, fish, electronic gadgets, etc.? I would say glass. I would say plastic for the first one. Just plastic. What about number 2? What's that? So you tell me what you can see here. Okay. Number 3. What can you see? Number 4. So here you can see several things. For example, you can see water. You can see rivers. All right. That's what you have to do in exercise 2. Now let's move to number 3. These are the verbs that I told you about the environment. We've got verbs like bury, recycle, protect, destroy, dump. Probably you will have to search some words in the dictionary, some difficult words. And you have to tell me which verbs are environmentally friendly and which verbs are not environmentally friendly. That's all. So you do 2 columns. Number 4. You have to make combinations. For example, you could say protect the beaches, protect the countryside, protect okay, rivers, for example, destroy the countryside, destroy trees, for example, right? So be careful because some combinations are not good. You have to do as many combinations as you can, right? Finally, in exercise 5, the most important of them all, I want you to do this exercise. You have to use the word pairs from exercise 4 and give, for example, pieces of advice. We can recycle glass by placing it in the correct bin, or we should turn off the tap, the grifo, while we brush our teeth to save water. We shouldn't bury waste. Okay, I want 5 or 6 more sentences for you to write. And that's all for the first 2 pages. I'll send you the video in a different recording.